So let's do a profiling operation. And we're going to use the same area. Yeah, we're going to use the same curve. Okay. And we're going to use the same. Just one second. Let's see what tools I got here. We'll use the 3mm, see if that gets in around this area that's kind of tight right there. And let's go ahead and we're going to use a stock of 0. It's going to be a finishing cut. We'll determine using 3D model and cut levels. It's at the bottom. Again, we're going to check the depth. Okay, and let's do 2mm. Okay, for the entry and exit. Just one second. Okay, so entry and exit, we're going to use none. Okay, so it's going to start and it's just going to come around and it's going to stop. So we pick that to none. Let's generate that. Okay. So you'll see that it just follows the curve all the way around. That's what we wanted. Okay. And let's go ahead and simulate that. Slow that down. Any questions? Go ahead and put them in the questions bar.
I think you used the midpoint as the start point, and that's why it's coming right into the material. Okay. So you want to remove that. No.
Yeah, turn that off. See if that moves it down. Okay. Let's see where it starts now. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's probably not the method I would use, so I'm going to use another method here in just a second after this is done, which would be a better fit. Change that color.